must will be for Christ. I was a calling your friend. Mama or friend me. Spiritual realm, Mama, a friend cry. It did your mayor. John Mahama no maybe probably because would say o fear 7.5 years na Appiah best sign and some years me call me free the chi but papa no so when she Samaria ni ba no what to do so atwe and what ya tem Samaria foi e o de wo hu o ko shia jinkwa no subura ho papa ni onipa wa fe odo recently crowda something hene
is it I can say so be call heaven and say Ura Mahama be president no open senka obey president and say we come some o cancer
well where there yes bigger than this one make if say I'm a politician and actually say the other is also fun to that you on kasa o kra na ne ma o kasa obi di kristo chi afọ de ma na o opani obi no de sabi nko ba chene chira na kura se kwan ana mo se obi fa kristo am say calling your friend mama or friend me spiritual realm, Mama, a friend cry. It did your mayor, John Mahama no maybe probably because would say o fear 7.5 years na Appiah best sign and some years me call me free the chi but papa no so when she Samaria ni ba no what to do so atwe and what ya tem Samaria foi e o de wo hu o ko shia jinkwa no subura ho papa ni onipa wa fe odo recently crowda something hene Apama sempa mi so aka opama sempa say John Mahama mi nyade e be hye John Mahama ni monyam e che saa papa ni de nipa de ani hunu mahunu bi e de pa bi mi se mi tu mi si de de mi nyes kan electricity bi de mi timi ene ani monyam a odoso nko John Mahama o wie president ko nya 4 years ya menyam adom so na nipa de ba no kro wie a enfie na de setaya me ne ni mi sama bra bo nyina ne na kwata bole bamboy wo me papa o me can pay openi the entire so me papa ne say edu ba bia o hwe me dim o sam ni su kwa tata papa no o ye asasu nya me mame it because me ko bon sam di no we ni am pen say enipa atra me ni ji so politics mu abra e yo tani makro keke because of John Mahama nyame na boa na MPP akofa sabi o me nya tribalism pepe ni abegina o mo di ni mama e pepe me obi tibi come as if you can say wo do ba ma amanfrafo e bia wale yeso wode Mahama na nam enne maami o ka MPP adore ne se do komoi MPP for kofa ba o me o tani hwe me ka Israel nyankopon say me bobe papa John Dramani Mahama mane say papa me tikru me mo krono da me nton ko ke me nton wi ade ani pare Appiah Stadium so ade ani pare sere mi ha me awo na doctor no if a doctor can't do or maybe I say just cool down for finish one na papa no so be me fibroid you said me ko Holland doctor no visa just to try doctor no ticket no give visa ma me yere ne de me ko Holland ko yere me fibroid ana me nyam kwada me ma me ewu or South Africa all former president meet o try meet here do the so as one kasa 2 days before ba I have Kenya say na konto so de baby apani ani monyam kakrakai papa shebisi ade biem pa na esa me yekire no etibi kase me tue kura me ame boni ame die kura to heaven me nko bi dada
no aka no
wow Appiah Stadium are too emotional why too emotional see first year I am mapping why and yes the man is just showing appreciation some of kana so one pabona no show you do the same thing obey the essence the oil and Appiah it's okay say we and some of us are in
we
understand yeah
so me be na ka make answer ma be ma what's he be cancer ma ni ka obeto na na be cancer na Vivian Rosalinda be kan ma konta o de we ma se ni say so obi am free MPP I quite before so enter 20 kra me catch very serious only part say ni chimi ko shimi ka kokumi CD I know kuma say infantile town obi e soro kuruma MPP ni akora me tikro mo ye ade na me ye MPP fo bi ekoye se ya kire omu twa ntoto bizu nyina hwe adwumadin ya omo na de tete mi o ana CD chi mi asem ewia anopa ade me ka kosi asem hwe petrol goods twa ya tum se me MPP ni akora me ha gene opani me kokoto a ni panyina show CD no yi mi ba ko ama me opani fufuo ne aduane edu na me se akwai man change me nantia omo kume me kokoto metofo nyina beguo obi ayi ba ko ama me ana me peja me de wana dwuma dwana ko hyenka me ba 2 weeks court bia ho me de wana call by private me fa kro bi so bi se o threat me ofo yo se ya frame ma John Mahama me say o kana sidi she ne boss me azam ko tell Korea de ba yo kamen ka kese ana me 49 million me wa se me masamo sapon obi be fro na ke me board that time sapon frame say o ga John Mahama say me fa 90 million ma wan kasa gide top otomadwenu iti President Messi wuye no me wa na me nya no call no say this time I need you na say papa me akwa ka me betray support that dem tijai openi having be any politician intemo enwani
okay thank you me that's it also they kakra bi on the neba oba any nsra obesra any
yesu de
nti kakra bi because of time
say on say the work no politics there bibia timi piem na say yenche woni ese achewo de we nya asem kase bia was ibire yakada ya che no wakowi ade wakoyese ni nyina kan adwuma no ho ye de abre wase na wotimi tintim na se sa ya chewo ni nasefo no anka wansha na obeto wadwuma so
okay
nti wonsusuma ne ha no se bloggers e twetwere se ya che no nasefo enya de ya de ehu bia na se afutuo bi hye baabi bloggers nye very careful on se ade a wani huye da bia yes obi agiskaduro obi akobokro no but wo de watwetwere bokro no nde hunhui ni nyina akatua wo ho
okay
se obi anhu an nature no ene obeye adwuma yenye very careful so le ade edi ahemfo atem politicians atem yenso atifie no ye bokro no nkitingiti bia yenim
me that's it
yes and enya
time nana kakrevi
Mr. Speaker menana sami jamfine we
aso chia
e penasempa menana she emperezi wonyo obeye ebisa yebida
chono na wona ekum ni papa wona ahifie pan nti wona de ka so obeye na obeye
wona di sense me
woni motonso
nye di ja trempon
ati ase
na emperezi fa ko abo ne die no
wona je ne bo
timinana yi wo so kan sem nyina no na ni edi wo manwesem mu dada nti di ni me bi takena anaje de tagena eyeye na be sa fata no to zuma na ha no na ade orokura araje bi boni ne yiye ma we kura ese aton ese buawo ibi aso ko tra eso anwa akoka sei ibi aso sa te royal tv we kura be sa ma odifo bi kura wa sa ye no mobomo wa sa to nsa front ma na ya
okay
ade bi boni mu no na ne yiye mu
bibi
asika kakra me kan se be na kuma wo so sanse wo ne nim
Ghana ne humo brode
mo obi asema wo ka me mu na bo nya de bia be distracted that so ko so a NDC ya cha John Dramani
boys
me de ayi nyina me kasi me hunu wo social media me hwe
but waka
me ntihwe na asem no kan se NDC ebeba na mama bi di 4 years no
obeko
eni abonsem di no anu de oka onyamfumso free say ekwam bi aso no mama beba bi di ndi mama be di a heaven kwa no
to aba na say
esa da ho ma no
yo oto se da so
every time me tia tia empire mi bo wi asi nyina na mahunu obi video bi a wo yam den say me see enipa wo wi asi nyina enipa me mpera sem ba o mia
yo yeah
sana me tia
but that's it
na o mi ni NDC o oni ho mi ni o mo ba kokora obi antimi kan kire me say NDC o mo free meeting
ai do agro yes ni fazer marca afane ni friend ni hu na me say afane papa yi ne se no kan 80% favor I don't know twene ne fan ko mo luma me ya me approach waka just say masa me mpem mo hwe me mpem mo card me media ni pass me say nti me wona ndc bi ase da
okay yo but you wish Nkrofobi a very happy birthday na yemra na yemechiacha na Axe Media
work held on Saturday, July 20th, 2024. The 6-kilometer health walk began from Spintex and ended at the Nungwa Town Park in Accra. The health walk is part of strategies employed by the opposition NDC in preparation for the December 7th general elections. Members of the NDC used the health walk to register their displeasure with the state of affairs in the country. They called for a change in government and campaigned for Ghanaians to vote massively for the NDC.
What best the government is doing? Look at the economy. Look at how people work are going. Look myself right now. I have a work company. Galio Lonka is 20 cities, 30 cities now. John Mahama time Galio Lonka is 10 CD, 8 CD, 5 CD. Right now is 30 cities. Look at pure water. Look at fuel. We can't buy fuel into our car again. So that is why we are here.
There comes a time in the life of a people where we must not blur the difference between right and wrong. The NPP has done a lot of things wrong and they must be judged accordingly come December 7, 2024.
We want to end the corruption. We want to end the corruption. We want to end the state capture. We want to end the family and friends government. That is why we want to vote for change.
The health work, dubbed Fit Ready Mahama Walk, saw the attendance of some top hierarchy members of the NDC, including the Member of Parliament for Tamale South, Haruna Idrisu, Professor Joshua Alabi, Joyce Bauer, Peter Buama Otukuna, among others. Also present during the 4-hour walk were members of Parliament and also parliamentary candidates from the Greater Accra region representing the NDC. Speaking to Ghana Web, Haruna Idrisu enumerated some of the plans the NDC intends to embark on should they win power.
NDC faithfuls and Ghanaians have defied the race to work for change and to embrace change and to vest their faith in President Mahama to come and lead change. That's why we are working notwithstanding the rain. We need to save this country from a state capture. The MPP is determined to use all means, including the looted money, to alter the necessary and ultimate change that Ghanaians desire on December 7, 2024. This work is also to remind our party agents to police the ballot boxes and to police the polling stations and ensure that they are at the declaration of results venue. And copies this year will insist that every result declared, a copy be pasted in accordance with the constitutional instrument at the place where the counting took place before collation, so that there can be some monitoring between what is declared at the collation center and what was declared at the polling station. So we are training people, and in Ashanti region we will deploy our special forces to monitor the elections that we did in 2008. So John Mahama, this crowd is to say that they are putting their faith in you, Excellency John Mahama, to come and lead change and provide change.
The national campaign manager of the NDC, Professor Joshua Alabi, was convinced that the mammoth crowd was a clear indication of victory for the NDC in the December 7th general election.
No, we have an assignment ahead of us, and that is December 7th, and we have to be fit for it. It's not going to be an easy battle. So everybody who supports the NDC and who's a sympathizer must be fit for it. So we have started this work. We will do this in addition to our normal campaign. We are preparing, we'll be launching our campaign next week in Tamale. And from there we'll take off to visit the regions and the constituencies. We've kept everything in order and we are sure of a very solid team to manage the campaign. And the Proud Brother is also in very good shape. So we are ready to go. We are good to go.
Member of Parliament for Clotty Collie, Zinato Rollins, urged the supporters to vote strictly for the NDC in both the presidential and parliamentary race.
This year, we are going for an election. We have less than 4 months. Everybody here must bring 10 people. And when you are voting, you vote for Mahama and you vote for the NDC candidates where you are. no skirt and blouse. Because if you do skirt and blouse and John Mahama becomes president, he cannot rule because he will not have majority in parliament. So be careful of those who are going around and saying vote for Mahama and vote for somebody else. Everybody, if you are NDC in your heart, you must make sure you vote Mahama and you vote for your NDC candidate. If you are here, you vote for Namomo. Hezu.
The presidential candidate of the NDC, John Dramani Mahama, lamented the woes of the country and promised to ensure his government creates more employment to alleviate the hardships in the economy.
That's the beauty of democracy. It affords us every 4 years the opportunity to make a change. And that opportunity comes on 7th December 2024. I just want to say that when you have a sickness, the first step towards getting a cure is to diagnose the sickness and know that you are sick. Unfortunately for this group of people in leadership, the NPP, they don't even recognize that Ghana is sick. For somebody to say that there is no hunger, there hasn't been hunger since Akufo-Addo came into government, it means because he's eating peche and the rest of us are eating pocho. He doesn't know that there's hunger in Ghana. But everything has a time. Every dog has its day. And the NPP's day is up on 7th December 2024.
Additionally, the former president confirmed the date and venue for the NDC's manifesto launch.
27th July, we are launching the campaign. And once the campaign is launched, there is no sitting down. The campaign is for all of us. It's not for Joshua Alabi, he's the campaign manager. It is not for your constituency campaign task forces. It is not for your regional campaign task forces. It is for every one of you. Any spare time you have, wear your t-shirts. We're going to send you leaflets. And you go from house to house and distribute the leaflets to your neighbors and tell them the message of NDC. That NDC is going to come and solve this economic crisis and create job opportunities for our unemployed youth. The national campaign is going to be launched in Tamale on 27th July. And so as many of you who can be in attendance, please, you are warmly welcome. The victory of the NDC is coming again, and it starts